Hello. Hey, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Oh, so beautiful, Lizzie, Liz. Hello. Oh, I get a kiss straight away. Hey, Lizzie. Come on. Beautiful Lizzie. Hey? Hoping you're alright today. Yeah? Come on, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Thank you. Thank you, Lizzie. Hey, Lizzie. You been a good baby? You always. Yes. Peekaboo bird. I hear a chookie. Speaking of other good babies. Lizzie, Lizzie, oh so busy. Oh. Lizzie, 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 Liz. Hey. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Very kiss. Oh, look at that kissy. Yeah. Hey, do I get a kiss, kiss? Kiss, kiss? Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, good on you, Lizzie. Good. Banana. Banana. Okay. My whistle's as off as Bugsy's was. Oh, hello. Hello, other beaks. And new Mr. Pooh Brain is doing chasings and more chasings. So it's back again after all the peace in Burbsville for so long. Lots of chasings. More arrivals. Excuse me, what are you doing on my boot? Hello up there. Wrap around burger, ladies. Lizzie Liz. Oh, Lizzie Liz. Oh, what are you doing? You're dragging the container over. Hey? Come on, Lizzie. Hey? Hey, beautiful. Come on, wrap around baby. Kissy kiss. Thank you, Lizzie. Thank you, double kiss. Hey? Yeah. Lizzie Liz. Lizzie Liz. Pillow. I got pillow Lizzie. Oh, I can lean on the Lizzie. Hey? Come on, in you come. In you come. Come on. Come on. No, you're not drag it over there. You can say some to Lizzie. I know, you got a lorikeet in the bucket, hey? Have a look. Oh, Lizzie, come on. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Drag yourself up on my ear. Yeah, Lizzie. Hello. You got dirt on you. Oh no, you got seed from Lizzie. Okay, that'll be it. Hey, Lizzie, also busy. Hey, you beautifuls. Hey, beautiful Liz. Munchy munch from the baby bunch. Yep. Come on, what you doing? Come on. Don't go away. It's just here. Oh, thank you. Hey. Wrap around boobies. Nothing like pillow boobies. Miss Lizzie and Bugs are the two biggest pillow boobies, aren't you, Liz? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's this seed being sprayed everywhere, you? Hey? What's going on? Seed spread. Oh, Lizzie's changing sides. Chasings. You spent more time eating and less time chasing, poo brain. Oh, almost got a sneaky pad in. Come on, Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Oh, it's getting windy. Yeah, I know. Come on. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Ah, kissy, kissy. Oh, you're beautiful. Asking her. Hey? I'll get some. I'll just shovel up a lorikeet. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Hey, thank you, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Excuse me. What are you doing? You coming up? You coming up? Coming up? Come on. Come up. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. You really want. Attack of the lorikeet. Lizzie, Liz. Come on. Come on. Oh, almost had a head burb. You don't know where to go, do you? Come on, up you come. Yeah, I know. Lizzie, Lizzie. Also busy. Hey, do I get a kiss? Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Thank you. What are you doing, eh? And what are you doing over here? You gonna say anything? You gonna say anything? Hey? 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 Anything? Oh, can I get a preen? Lizzie, Lizzie, thank you. Kiss, kiss. Maxi burbs. Hey? Yoo-hoo. Come on. Lizzie, Lizzie. Hey, Lizzie. Kiss, kiss. Thank you, Lizzie. Come on. Come on, Liz. Up you come. Go, Lizzie. Oh, thank you. Oh, Lizzie. Huge. Biggest kiss in my ear. So big. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Oh, Lizzie. Oh, Lizzie. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Come on. Come on, Liz. There we go, Lizzie. Maximum kiss. Thank you, Lizzie. Noisy, noisy, noisy on the motorway over there. Hey. Bob of the bucket. Excuse me. That's not very nice. There you go. Hello? Who's down there? More birds. They've worked it out. The Burby Telegraph. Hello? 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 Yep, coming. Bob of the bucket. More. Ooh, that was a torpedo bird. That was torpedo bird. Yeah. Ah, yes, it's maximum arrivals now. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Everybody's... Hello. Yeah, come on, Lizzie. Yeah, you're here at the right time, Lizzie. Early. Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Oh, kisses. Huge kisses. Hello. Oh, Lizzie, kiss, kiss. Lizzie, Liz. Oh, Lizzie, move on. There we go. Oh, hello. Here we go. Hello. Wraparound burbies. Bird. Can't say it. Wraparound burbulations. Oh, Lizzie, thank you. Hello. Oh, catbird. Thank you, catbird. Hey, what's going on, Captain Bird? Captain Bird. Hey, Lizzie. Lizzie, also busy. Hey, wonder if I beat a record. 4 birds. Oh, swap a bird now. Super swap. Oh, Lizzie, thank you. Hey. No. Yeah, I know. Oh, Fluffy. Hello, thank you, Lizzie. Oh, I've got so many handy birds. Easy it is. Come on. I've got 2 on my right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 birds in the container. Thank you. I know. Wraparound burbulators, indeed. Hey. You'll behave. You'll get it. You're not going to miss it. Fluffy? Come on, Fluff. Excuse me, in the container. Wait. Thank you. Fluffy. Come on, Fluff. Hey, excuse me, handy birdies. Oh, Fluffy. Oh, Lizzie, Liz, kiss. Hey. Super Fluffy. Fluff. Oh, yeah, I know. Maximum beaky business. Hello. Yeah. There you go, down there. Come on, Lizzie. Oh, thank you, Catbird. Come on, you stay there. Yeah, I'm getting lots of pruning. Hey, Fluffy. Sitting on the water at bird bath over there. Oh, who got bitten on the body? Yes. Oh. Yeah, I know, I'd be screeching too. Fluffy, you being mean? Come on. I've got to get some more seed out. I've got to get more seed out. Got to make it to the bucket to do that. Lizzie? Oh, I've got a head burb. I've got a head burbulator. Excuse me, I've got to come in behind you there. Yeah, I know. Yes, Fluffy. Oh, Fluff. Oh, Fluff. Lizzie, Liz. Where are you, Lizzie? Come on, Lizzie. Fluffy. Come on. Lose a bird, gain a bird. Lizzie, come on, Lizzie. Come back to your spot. Lizzie, Liz. Come on, Lizzie. Come on, Lizzie. Fluffy. Fluffy. Yes, catbird. Yes, catbird. Hey, who's gnawing on my thumb? Hey, why are you gnawing on my finger, eh? You naughty birdie. Why you chew on my finger? You chew on the seed, not my finger. Hello, Lizzie. Hello, Lizzie.